Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Band 7 to your phone. First, power on your Huawei Band 7 by pressing and holding the side button until the logo appears. Next, download the Huawei Health app from your phone's App Store or by scanning the QR code displayed on your band. Remember to enable Bluetooth on your phone before proceeding with the connection. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your Huawei ID. If you don't have one, it's easy to create a new account. From the app's home screen, tap on the Devices tab, then select Add Device. The app will begin searching for nearby Huawei wearables. When your Huawei Band 7 appears, tap Connect and confirm the pairing request on both your band and phone. After successful pairing, the app will prompt you to grant essential permissions, including access to notifications and location services. This allows your band to receive alerts and track data accurately. Take a moment to personalize your band by choosing a watch face, setting alarms, and configuring health monitoring features like continuous heart rate tracking. Enabling automatic updates ensures you always have the latest improvements. If you experience any connection difficulties, first ensure your Huawei Band 7 has sufficient battery and is within a few feet of your phone. A simple restart of both your phone and the band can often resolve minor glitches. Also, always keep your Huawei Health app updated to its newest version, as updates frequently include bug fixes and improved device compatibility. These steps should help maintain a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.